Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Jeep Liberty. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 6 quarts of new 5W20 motor oil and a fresh oil filter. Always park your Jeep on a level surface and engage the parking brake to ensure your safety throughout the process. This preparation is key for a smooth and efficient oil change. Now, let's drain the old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug underneath your engine and position your drain pan directly below it. Carefully remove the drain plug using your wrench, allowing the old oil to flow freely into the pan. It's important to let all the old oil drain completely, which typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This step ensures you remove as much of the old, dirty oil as possible. Next, we'll replace the filter and add fresh oil. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, then clean the mounting surface thoroughly. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new oil filter before installing it hand-tight. Finally, add the specified amount of new motor oil, typically 6 quarts, through the oil fill cap. Double-check your owner's manual for the exact capacity. For the final steps, start your engine and let it run for a minute, checking for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Ensure the oil pressure light turns off. Once the engine cools, check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, for staying refreshed on the go, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. This simple maintenance keeps your Jeep running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.